Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Mike, aka Scarfinger, aka PTCAC representer, and I'm going to talk today about something that really surprised me. Now, the site has kind of taken off a little bit. First of all, there's a couple people that I want to thank. Here's a couple people that I want to thank. I want to thank the homie Ron Block. First and foremost, I want to thank the homie Ron Block. Ron Block was the first person to actually go to the website and buy something. And Ron Block is always there whenever I get some harebrained scheme or a cockamamie idea. Ron Block is always the first person there to support it. And I fuck with Ron Block. Like, that's my guy. So thank you, Ron Block. And then my friend that I've known for a very long time, my friend Katina, did me a solid. She didn't do this intentionally, but she did me a huge favor. She got some wax melts from me, and she really liked some wax melts, certain wax melt from me. And you probably already know this from the title of the video or whatever like that. But she liked it. She liked it so much that she actually posted a picture. She posted a picture of the wax melts that she liked, and she posted a picture of her warmer. And that was great, and it makes me feel fantastic. Actually, all of this makes me feel fantastic. But what happened after has caused me to stress out a little bit, just a little bit. So she posted that her favorite, one of the favorites of the ones that she got from me was red pineapple. Now, red pineapple has always been an afterthought for me. And it goes to show you that, like, something that you like, it doesn't matter what you like. It matters what the people like. And this has happened to me. This has happened to me several times. I've had people that really, really like the spiked eggnog. I do not like it. I do not like the smell, especially out of the bottle. Out of the bottle, spiked eggnog, and oh my God, blueberry pancake out of the bottle is the worst. In the wax, completely different. But I had a lot of people jumped on the spiked eggnog. I'm not really an eggnog person, so it doesn't really work for me at all. But I've sold a few, and that is awesome because I have a lot of that fragrance oil left. So please, if you like eggnog and you would like to smell a spiked eggnog, if you want me to just add it in just something free with your order, I can do that too because I have a lot of this left. Please order spiked eggnog. But because of her, everyone ordered red pineapple. And that is amazing. Let me tell you, look at the camera. I'm going to say it again. That is amazing. That is super amazing. There's one issue though. The red pineapple, I cannot find that fragrance oil anywhere except for one place. There is only one place where I can find that. Do you remember? Because I posted a video about it. This is the only place where I can get red pineapple fragrance oil. So I had to buy this whole kit just to get more red pineapple fragrance oil. The whole thing for one fragrance. The other two fragrances are just gonna sit there. They're literally just... I did not mean for that to fall the way that it fell. As long as that red pineapple fragrance oil is still good in there, I'm fine. But I had to buy that kit in order to get more red pineapple fragrance oil because that seems to be the one that everyone wants. Now there are some different fragrance oils that I'm really, really surprised about. Like I said, about the the spiked eggnog for one. A lot of people, a few people have liked that, but the red pineapple has taken off, and so I had to buy that kit just so I can make some more red pineapple, which I thought was weird because when I did the video about making that kit, I made one, and I showed you all of the rest of them when I was finished, but I only showed the process through one of them, my favorite one, which was the agave nectar. The agave nectar is by far my favorite out of that box. But again, doesn't matter what I think. It matters what everyone else thinks. So yeah. So I bought some more. I bought another kit. A whole kit. For the red pineapple fragrance oil. But fear not. Fear not, people. If you want red pineapple fragrance oil wax melts, I actually bought 2 kits. I bought 2 of them because I'm just going to take the red pineapple out of the kits, and I am just going to make a large batch of those, and hopefully that will be enough to satisfy this craze. I feel like red pineapple right now is like the Furby of my wax melt line. It is the Tickle Me Elmo. That is closer because they're both red. Yeah, it's the Tickle Me Elmo of my wax melt line right now, and I think it's great, and I think it's bonkers all at the same time. And so again, thank you to her. This is dope. And it's giving me a lot, like the feedback that I'm getting, which people are telling me out of the things that they bought, which ones they liked and stuff like that. I'm learning a lot more about my customer base than I did before I made these wax melts. Now, to be honest, I got like 30 something fragrances. So like, it's going to take a while to get through those, to get feedback on them, blah, 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 yakety smackety. So that's going to take some time. That's going to take some research. I'm probably going to have people start doing some reviews and such, and just saying the stuff that they loved. And you know, if there's something that you didn't like, then let me know. I can work on something else. But yeah, red pineapple. I'm making more. Real soon, I am going to be making more, and because of the sales that were generated by by her and Ron Block posting, I am now going to go to a paid tier of Big Cartel, and I'm going to have them start tracking my inventory so they can tell me when I'm running out of red pineapple. Because I have an inventory software, but it's not integrated. It's not integrated with the website at all. So I have to go in and I have to change everything manually, and it doesn't really work the same. So I wanted to be on the website so it can tell y'all, look, we out of red pineapple. We good. Like, you know what I mean? Brother gonna have to go back and go get another kit, but this red pineapple is like, for real. Tickle Me Elmo is the red pineapple of this thing. So go to the website, PTCAC Handcrafted, Peace Through Colors, Arts and Crafts, handcrafted, you know, that type of thing. Just that's what the PTCAC stands for. For anyone who doesn't know, PTCAChandcrafted.com is where you will find the store. And like, share, subscribe here. I'm still planning on doing something now. I'm still planning on doing something special once I hit 100 subscribers. I haven't posted a lot recently, so I understand why that hasn't been moving. So with these videos, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, and I'm going to do a painting sometime soon. I'm going to do a short video of the paintings that I just made recently. So all of that stuff is going to be done. So continue, tell a friend, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, do all of the things, do those things, and I will appreciate it, and I will shower shower PTCAC gifts upon you. Once I get to 100, I'm going to figure out something. And now, at first I said I was going to make a painting for someone. And now if you want some wax melts or a candle or something like that, holler at your boy. I could probably pull that off for you. I can probably pull something decent off for you. So keep all that in mind. Keep every bit of that in mind. And yeah, we'll be back with more content. I want to do reviews of my scents. So, and hopefully I can get to the red pineapple. And I can tell y'all how great I think the agave nectar is compared to the red pineapple. I think that's a conversation that we need to have. And I like the wildflower. I don't know why people don't like flowers. I technically only really have 2 like flower scents. Well, three flower by themselves. I got a wildflower. I got a plumeria, which I love. I love the smell of plumeria. And I got a lavender. I got a lavender lemon, but that don't count because of the lemon. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I want to do reviews of my scents, but I don't know exactly how to do that. Now, technically, I just got a bunch of new stuff in. I can start there, or I can start in alphabetical order, or I can start with just things that I like, or just pick up random things here and there. I don't know what to do. Actually, I know what to do. I know the first video that I'm going to do, I have to do red pineapple. I think I'm going to review the scents in the kit first. I think that's probably going to be the best way to do it. And then I'll print out the whole thing, and then I'll start scratching off stuff that I've done videos of, and I'm just going to pick random stuff. Like it's not going to be all stuff that I love. It's going to be stuff just thrown around. Well, anyway, you tell me what you think. Peace out to the Warriors, yo. Do all of the things.